Hey guys, welcome back to the G-Force Performance channel. Today I'm going to be talking about a couple of our transmission adapters. On my right I have our LS to Z32 adapter, and on my left I have the LS to Z33 adapter. The Z32 adapter allows you to bolt an LS engine to a 300ZX 5-speed manual, and the Z33 allows you to bolt the LS to a 350Z or a G35. The Z32 adapter comes with a steel adapter plate, a steel flywheel, hardware kit, and pilot bushing adapter. And the Z33 kit comes with a steel flywheel, steel adapter plate, pilot bushing adapter, starter adapter, and the hardware kit. The starter adapter on the Z33 kit utilizes a Small Block Chevy mini starter. And another thing to note about both of our kits is that they utilize a pilot bushing adapter and an OEM 300ZX pilot bushing so that you can go to the auto parts store and replace it if needed. We also have a Nissan to Frontier adapter and various other transmission adapters on our website. So if you want to learn more, check it out at crossmembers.com. Thanks for watching.